Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the chapter Weather and Seasons in Science. In the first part of this chapter, we had already learned about weather and different types of season. There are mainly five seasons in India, that are spring season, summer season, monsoon season, autumn season, and winter season. So, we had already discussed about spring and summer season. So, today we will move forward and going to discuss about the remaining season in India. Let's start with the rainy season. Monsoon brings people's favorite season, that is the rainy season. The rainy season comes after the hot summer. It is also called monsoon season. The rain comes in June, July and August. Cool winds from the seas bring the clouds. It means the weather becomes cloudy during the rainy season. People carry a raincoat and umbrella to protect themselves from rain. Sometimes, if there is heavy rain in any area, then there are chances of flood. It means lot of water be collected on roads and streets during the rainy season. We may see a beautiful rainbow after every shower. The rain fills the dried ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers. It brings water for crops. The trees and plants look green during the monsoon season. Some important points regarding the rainy season that you all can keep in your mind, that are rainy season is also called monsoon season. During this season, the weather becomes cloudy. If there is heavy rain in any area, then there are chances of flood. We may see a rainbow after a shower. The next is autumn season. This season comes after the monsoon season. The leaves of trees become dry and change to yellow, golden, orange, red, or brown in color. Some trees shed all leaves. The month of the autumn seasons are September and October. These are called autumn months. The autumn season is very short season. It is neither hot nor cold. In many places, the leaves of the trees turn yellow as they dry up and fall during autumn season. Some important points that you can keep in your mind regarding the autumn seasons are: this season comes after monsoon season. This is very short season, and month of the autumn seasons are September and October. The leaves of trees become dry and change to yellow, golden, orange, red or brown in color. The next is winter season. Winter comes after autumn. We feel very cold in this season. Days are shorter and nights are long. November, December, and January are the winter months. The air becomes cold and the sun is not very bright. People wear generally woolen clothes during the winter season. They light fire and heaters to keep warm. During winter, it snows in the mountain in North India. Lakes and ponds freeze. People enjoy being out in the sun during winter. It is not as cold as in other part of India. So this is the winter season. And during winter season, mornings become foggy. In some part, it snows during winter. Some important points regarding the winter seasons are: winter comes after autumn. We feel very cold in this season. Days are shorter and nights are long. In some part, it snows during winter season. So these are the five main seasons in India. And the last one is rainbow. As you all can see in this image, this is a beautiful rainbow that we can see after monsoon or rainy, that we can see in the monsoon or rainy season after every shower. A rainbow is a curved arc of light of 7 colors. It means there are 7 colors in the rainbow. The colors that we can see in this image, they are 7 in numbers. Across the sky, a rainbow is caused by the sun's rays shining through the drops of water during or after rain. So, this is the rainbow. So, now the chapter is completed. Hope you all enjoy this video. Please see this video and try to understand the concept of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.